Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything besides, live streams and things like that to YouTube, but today I've got a little bit of a special occasion. I just got a HomePod, and we're going to take it out of the box. We're going to try our best to set it up. Hopefully I don't manage to screw it up somehow or other. And we're going to play around and see what this is like. Now, I've never seen one of these before, so I'm going to be learning along with you guys. Trouble is, you will not be able to see what I'm doing because my camera skills suck and I'm recording on a Mac. Because I need my phone to set up the speaker, so yeah. So, for anybody that doesn't know, let's explain what this is. This is pretty much Apple's version of our little friends over here, my Amazon Echo and my Google Home. This is pretty much Apple's equivalent. I haven't even taken this, if there's another box in here, I haven't even taken it out of the main box it was shipped in. So, here we go. Let's open this up. Looks like it's really well padded in here. Turn this on its side. Try to ease this out. Ugh. And here, I think, is the main box for the HomePod, and it's wrapped in plastic. So we will take the plastic off. This is a nice looking box. If I can keep the lid on for just a minute. Okay, imagine an iPhone box, but taller, wider, and heavier. Because it's not like really heavy, but it's heavier than you'd expect a speaker to be. I think this thing weighs like 5 pounds or something. Now for the fun part. Let's lift, whoa, this lid up. And here is our HomePod. Let's lift it out. Well, that plug isn't too bad. We've got the HomePod, and in here, I guess, is some documentation and stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure. I can't read it. I expected this thing to look like really dumb, but honestly, this is gorgeous. Just the shape and the design is gorgeous. Set that down for a minute. That's kind of heavy. Put the cap back on the box. Set the box to the side. Now, on top here, we've got, our touch surface, and there's plastic over it. Let's peel that off. And I'll have to relocate it here in a minute, but just for our purposes right now, I'm just gonna hang on to it here. There's a lot of cord here. That is excellent. Because my outlet space is not exactly the greatest sometimes. Okay, it looks like the plug is kind of stuck. There it comes. Let's uncoil this. Now, unlike the Amazon Echo and stuff like that, this cord is permanently attached. Holy cow! It's a lot of cable. So, let's unplug the charger for my Mac for the moment. And plug in the Homepod. And already it is lit up. Whoa. Oh, that sound. And we just heard that little ping. That was my HomePod recognizing my phone. Set up. Yeah, it's gonna be in the bedroom. At least for now. Continue. No, I don't want to use personal requests. At least not right now. I agree that I didn't read it. You didn't hear that. Now let's hit transfer settings and watch what's going to happen. Now I got to enter a passcode.
Enter these 4 digits to continue. 3, 2, 3, 5.
And you heard it say voiceover on, and you probably heard it really, really fast because... Wait a minute, did it even transfer my speech right? Setting up. Yeah, it says it's setting up. And the light is blinking. Boom.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
I'm sorry, YouTube, but I don't know what it's going to come up with. Hey Siri, play some music.
I'm on it. Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Adina Menzel.
Hey
Remember,
Siri, stop.
Anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri, stop.
Pause.
Ooh, sorry YouTube, I couldn't stop it. That's copyrighted and I'm probably going to get in trouble.
Hey Siri, turn news. Hey Siri, tell me news. Weather. Hey Siri, what's music? 8 button. 10:12 p.m. Saturday. Unlocked. Business. Page 46. Home.
Now let's go into the Home app.
Home. HomePod can recognize your voice. HomePod can. Siri can recognize your voice and allow you to use any HomePod device to play music, answer Siri questions, or access personal information in your device on your device. Your Siri voice profile for this iPhone will be associated with this. Also, Siri can recognize your voice, play music, and more. Continue. Button. Don't recognize. Continue. Button. Personal requests. Heading. Use Siri voice recognition on home. Allow HomePod. Use personal requests. Don't use personal requests. Software update required. Heading. New features will be available once every HomePod is updated to the latest software. Continue. Button. Continue. Button.
Software update required. This is nerve-wracking.
Continue. Button. Bedroom. Heading. Showrooms. Button. Edit. Button. Add. Button. Bedroom. Heading. Accessories. Heading. HomePod. Bedroom. Updating. Button. Home. Tab. Selected. Automation. Tab. Automation. Selected. Rooms. Tab. 2 of 3.
Now we have it updating its software. I can't see what it's doing.
Automation. Tab. Selected. Home. HomePod. Bedroom. Updating. Button. Action. HomePod. Bedroom. No response. Requires attention. Home. Tab. Home. Open controls. Activate. Open controls. Bedroom. Connecting. Button. Button. Possible. Track position. 7.4 seconds. Of 4 minutes. 31 seconds. Previous track. Play. Button. Gmail. Allow explicit content. On.
Well, nope. No explicit content.
Sound check. Off. Update listening history. On. Button. Update listening history. On. Off. Allow music playing with phone. About Apple Music and about Apple Music and podcasts and privacy. Bedroom. Radio for troubled water. Video. Play. Button. Next track. Volume. This is software version 13.4. Home. Downloading. In progress. Homepod. Button. Homepod. Group. Include. Alarm. Music and podcasts. Default account. Fast listen. Allow explicit content. Off.
Boop, boop, boop.
Sound check. Update listening. Siri. Heading. Listen for Hey Siri. On. Touch and hold for Siri. On.
Listen for the thing I'm not going to say on. Touch and hold on.
Light when using Siri. On.
Light when using on.
Sound when using Siri. Off.
Sound on.
Language. English. United States. Button. Siri voice. American. Female. Personal requests. Off. Button. Siri can help you get things done just by asking. About Siri privacy. Location services. On. Location services uses Bluetooth and About location services. Accessibility. Button. Analytics and improvements. Button. Manufacturer. Apple Incorporated. Serial number. CC4W. Accessibility. Button. Vision. Heading. Voiceover. On. Button. Voiceover. On. Voiceover. On. Speaking rate. Heading. 100%. Adjusted. 90%. 80%. 70%. Double tap timeout. 0.25x. Button. Audio editing. On. Audio editing. On. Off.
Some people say audio ducking on these things is a little bit of a problem, so I'm going to shut it off. But that's basically how you take it out of the box, set it up, that kind of fun stuff. And I'll have to make another video later on to show you guys some of the commands and things like that because, well, we're updating and I don't know if it's going to respond to me right now. Let me check. Hey Siri, what time is
Audio
it?
editing. Off.
It's 10:15 a.m.
I can't wait to get some music playing on this thing. I bet it will sound incredible. Because the sound in this... Oh my god. Hey Siri. Tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the superhero who got his front teeth knocked out? He said he was Thor.
We can do some other things too. Hey Siri. What's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 4. Hey,
Tell me a joke.
they say you'll never go hungry at the beach because of the sandwiches everywhere.
What else can I ask? I want to ask for the weather, any of that kind of boring stuff. I know you can ask it for podcasts and things like that. What time is it in Australia?
In Canberra, Australia, it's 3:17 a.m.
Oh, I know what to do. Set a timer for 10 seconds.
Okay, counting down from 10 seconds.
We'll get to hear the timer sound.
Stop timer. Play.
What time is it?
10:17 a.m.
Set an alarm for 10:18 a.m.
The alarm is set for 10:18 a.m. Stop alarm.
Oh, and some more things I think you can do.
Play.
Find my phone.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. You can check the location of all of your devices at iCloud.com or in the Find My iPhone app.
For some reason, I thought that would work.
Play.
Where is my iPhone?
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. You can check the location of all of your devices at iCloud.com or in the Find My iPhone app.
Huh. Maybe you have to have your personal requests turned on. I don't know. But honestly, I thought this thing would be like some kind of... I thought this thing would be like really, really ugly and really, really weird looking, but it's not. And you've got this fabric stuff all the way around it. I can't wait to see where it thinks it needs to direct...
Pause.
No.
Pause.
Don't do that. Oops. I can't wait to see where it thinks it
Voiceover. On.
needs to send me my music.
Vision. Heading. Interaction. Heading. Tap on. Tap on foundations. Off. Intro. Serial number CC4W13. Model M2. Version 11.2. Remove F3. Button. Version 11.2.5. Remove F3. Button.
Oh dear God! This thing is way out of date.
Version. Zero. Minus. Analyze and improvements. Accessibility. Button. Couple locations. 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 Couple zero. Search. Close number. Siri. Link. Zoom. Light. Content. Listen. Siri. Copy. Zoom. Collect. Default. Music. Call arts. Button. Including favorite. Group. Bedroom. Homepod. Text field. Home. In progress. Downloading. HomePod software version 13.4.5 includes serial improvements for stability and quality. Software version 13.4. Volume. 45. Next track. Button. Volume. Next track. Play. Previous track. Track position. Button. Bedroom. Radio. Close. Button. HomePod. 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 Updating. Heading. Close. Button. Accessories. Heading. Bedroom. Radio. Trouble water. Video. Apple Store. Home.
But now you kind of understand the basics of what's going on here. I can't move it to its permanent location until it gets done updating, because then I'd have to unplug it. So there you have it. That is my new HomePod. We took it out of the box, we set it up. Fortunately for me, it let me configure everything even though my home app was empty and I don't have any other smart home accessories. So, we should be in good shape. And I'll make another one as soon as I can with some more commands and things. As soon as I learn some more about this thing. Have fun!